In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Elden Ring Enemy and Item Randomizer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on where to find and how to set up the Elden Ring Enemy and Item Randomizer. This is something entirely customizable, and you will be able to experience the game in a very chaotic, random way. So in order to use this mod, you will first have to download it on Nexus Mods. So go to nexusmods.com and you will be able to find it with the same title that I just mentioned, Elden Ring Item and Enemy Randomizer. Once you find this mod, you will be able to download it. So create a Nexus Mods account if you don't have one already, and on this page you can browse through a lot of instructions and an overview of the mod. For the most part, installing it is simple. Go over to Files, and then click the option to download. So click on manual download on the latest version here released, and you will also have to install NET 6.0. So if you don't have this already, click on this link, you will be redirected, and you can also use this setup to download it. I already have it installed on my computer, so I'm not going to run this executable file to install .NET 6.0 desktop runtime, but you should if you don't have this set up. Once you have downloaded the randomizer, you will be able to extract it somewhere, so just extract it in any folder that you wish, and now you can open this executable file. Make sure to install .NET if you haven't done that already. Immediately upon opening this exe file, you will be able to customize a lot of stuff. So you have 5 main tabs: Item Randomizer, Logic, Enemy Randomizer, DLC, and miscellaneous options. You can untick any of these if you don't want them to apply, so in this specific case, only the Item Randomizer would apply. And of course, you can take all of them if you wish to have everything enabled. Now you have to select the game executable. So in here, click on this option, and now you will be able to browse through all the files in your computer. If you don't know where to find Elden Ring, all that you have to do is open the Steam launcher, right-click on Elden Ring, go over to Manage, and then browse local files. Now, inside of this game folder, you will be able to find eldenring.exe. So just copy this specific link here. For me, it is going to be on my X drive, Steam library, Steam apps, common, Elden Ring in-game, but for you this might differ. So this is why you should follow the method of finding where the game is available in your computer by right-clicking it on Steam. Now open the executable file. You can merge with other mods, but this is optional only if you have other stuff, and now just click this option here, randomize item and enemies. I'm not going to do it for my save, but this is all you have to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Elden Ring Enemy and Item Randomizer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.